Hey guys, it's LeGrandzilla, and I have here a new kit I just finished. This is a 3D printed sculpt by Tony Cipriano of the 1933 King Kong Prop Replica. Came with two heads, and as you can see, I put one of them on a base that I found. It looks kind of like a pawn piece. It's made out of wood, and I attached it to the head to it and just sculpted in a little bit of hair. And on this I made the eyes so they look kind of upward, just as a contrast to the other. This is the round head, because the 33 movie came with two different style heads. And this is the long head. And it comes with a base. It's a simple base. It has credit to the sculptor Cipriano, 1922. I wanted to attach the heads, the head I chose, to the body so that there wouldn't be any seams. Very noticeable seams anyway. This is a cool kit. It's about 12 inches tall, and like I say, it's made out of the 3D printed material. I went with sort of subtle colors. I always think of the 33 Kong. If it was in color, it would be kind of the color of a wild rabbit. So I use kind of a soft brown, grayish brown. I'll take another closer look at this head, if I can get it to focus well. Kind of like how his eyes are looking up. Usually when I do the eyes on Kong, I put them like I did on the other head, looking downward. There you can see how I did it. I think it makes him look menacing when you do that. Tony Cipriano is a really good sculptor of King Kong. I like everything he does with that. So anyway, I wanted to show you this, and I hope you enjoyed seeing it.